These are the Earth Wash detergent sheets. They are water soluble. Absolutely love these things. First of all, when you open the packet, they smell so good. They smell fresh, clean, exactly what you want with some wash sheet. So let's pull one out and have a look. There are a ton of them in here as well. Oh, smell so good. These are nice and soft. They're water soluble, obviously, because they're going to go in your washer to do your washing. You can use them for hand washing as well. All you have to do is just dissolve this in the water before you pop your clothes in and do your washing. Let's pop it in and have a look, shall we? So you can either pop it in the loader like that, or you can as well pop it in the detergent drawer. Up to you what you prefer and depending on your machine. So we're gonna pop that in there, close it up, and make sure that we pop that on here. Press start and wait for your washing to be done. They're gonna be nice and crisp and clean, smelling fresh, good, and I highly recommend these. Go and get yourself some.